Hello all, you're welcome back to my channel. So I say a very big welcome to you all, and if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. On this channel I upload sewing tutorials, fashion tips, styles and DIYs. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, do well to hit on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So I'll be making the pom-pom hairband. Okay, so you need your net or your tool for this, and Alice band, okay, or hairband. So let me show you how I made this pom-pom. So you can make it depending on the size you want. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. So I have my net here, also called tool. So what I'll do is to place it. So the net is by 60 and I'm folding it on this 60 inches side. Okay, so I'm just folding it, making sure that the edges are equal. Okay, so that is just it. So I'm just folding it. So now after folding it like this, I would measure. So for this size, what I did is I measured 5 inches. Okay, so if you want it bigger, you can take more than that. So I just measured 5 inches and I cut it out. So if you want it bigger than that, you can take up to 10 inches. So what I have here now is 5 by 60. Okay, so the length of the tool is 60, then by 5. Okay, so now I would roll it. I'll just roll it on my palm like this, so you can see what I'm doing. So now after rolling it, I will take my thread. So I double the thread. I will just tie it, at the center of the tool like so. So I'm making sure it is tight. Okay, so I'm tying it hard so it doesn't lose out later. So after tying it round, I'll now tie up the thread and cut it out. So just tying it very well, so I don't want it to loosen out later. So now I'll cut out my thread. I have it here. So now I'll just find the center, where I passed my hand through the other time, while I was tying the the net around my hand, so you can see it. Then I'll cut it open. Just cut it. Then I'll do same on this other side. Okay, and I would cut it open too. So now I'll just spread it open. So this is just how to make your pom-pom, your tool pom-pom. So I'm just opening it up. So just keep opening, keep opening. So when I'm done opening, I'll now trim it. So I'm trimming out the edges. Just trimming out the edges so that I'll have a smooth edge there and an even edge. Okay. So just trim out the edges until you have gotten what you want. Okay, so I have it here, so you can see what I have for the measurement I took. See the size I have. So if you want it bigger than this, you can increase your measurement. Okay, so I have the white one there too. I made use of white too. So this is the hairband I want to use, the Alice band, okay, or hairband. So I would like to wrap it up with this fabric. So this is how I want it to be on the band, like so. But I'm not going to place it just like that. I would wrap the band up with this fabric. Okay, so this is how I would wrap it up. Just fold this side. Okay, then I would apply gum. on it using my hot glue gun. So just apply gum. You can use B6000 gum or any other gum to do this. So now I'll start rolling it. So the length of the fabric you need should be 3 times the length of the hairband. Okay, so 3 times the length of the hairband is what you need. So I'm just applying gum there so that I can gum it down while I wrap. Okay, so as I wrap, I keep folding one side, like I just fold this side to get rid of the rough edges of the fabric. So I'll just keep wrapping it, okay, all round. So I'll just go on and on like this until I get to the end of the band. So you can apply gum as you go, okay? So just apply a little gum here and I keep rolling. And make sure you're making it tight. So I'm pulling it to make sure it is tight and firm. So I keep going on and on until I get to the end, okay? So here it is. So you can see this, okay? So now I'll just close it up, okay? So I'll just fold this place and I would cut out this excess that I have here. So I'm still applying my gum here. So now I'll cut out the excess and fold the rest of the fabric in and also gum it down. I'll also apply my gum here and close up the edge. So I'll also do that for the other side just to, close it up. So this is it. So I'll just trim out any rough edge that I have there. So I'm also applying my gum here. Then just close it. So this is just it, okay? So I have it here. So you can see I've finished wrapping it up and this is what I have. So it is okay now. So now I'll gum the pom-pom to it. So I will apply my gum, then I will just fix it. So this is how I want it to be. Okay, so this is it. So I'll just apply my gum and I'll gum it. So I'm just applying the gum. So I'm just putting enough gum so that the pom-pom can stay. Okay, so I'll press it hard. So I have it there. So you can see this. This is even beautiful on its own. So I'll just continue applying my gum like so. Then I'll just fix it. So I'm just looking for a side that is a bit flat. So that is where I would gum down like so. Go to the other one. So I will also fix it like so too. You can see what I have here. So just press it down. When the dry is gum is there. When the gum is dried, it will stay. So I have it there, and you can see this. This is very easy to make and beautiful too. Okay. So this is just how to make your pom-pom hairband. So, and this will be worn with this dress here. So this is it, and I hope you like this. Okay, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and also turn on the notification bell beside it so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So to subscribe is free. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.